Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Cardano, ADA, from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send ADA from Binance to Gemini. This process is super useful for diversifying your holdings or accessing different features on various platforms. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Gemini. You'll also need some ADA in your Binance wallet. Always double-check that you're on the official sites to avoid any scams. Crypto security is key in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. This is where you manage your assets, so find your ADA balance and click on it. Next, select the Withdraw option. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Choose Cardano, ADA, from the drop-down. Now, you need the Gemini wallet address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to the deposit section, and copy the ADA address. Pro tip. Always verify the network. Cardano uses the Cardano network, so make sure it matches to avoid any transfer issues. Back on Binance, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but remember to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. In 2025, these fees might be lower with improved tech, but still, don't send more than you can afford to lose. Review everything carefully. One wrong digit in the address could mean your ADA is gone forever. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the withdrawal. Sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and check your wallet. You should see your ADA there, ready to use. Congrats! You've just moved your assets like a pro. That's it for this quick guide. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so stay updated and never transfer without double checking. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.